What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So my goal for today is to show you guys what the market participants are doing and where they're most likely going to take price to next. So on the macro, price hit a very major level. It was a big measure move target. So there was one leg up right here, second leg up. Price basically met that target exactly or very close to it, right around the 489 level, 488 level. And that was coinciding with the top side of the channel. So we have one swing here, second swing, third swing. So this confirmed trend line right here. You drag the parallel line to the top of this swing, and then boom, right where the measure target is. So we had two reasons why price should be topping, especially the way Tesla was moving as an exponential fashion. Boom, that was perfect top, or a very, very high likelihood we were going to top. And now we are in a major decline. I've been looking at lower price targets. I've been calling 201 for a while now. Basically, we had two small legs down, but then when those are already met, you combine the first two legs together to make one large leg, large leg down here, second leg, and that's right around the low $200 level. So 201 is probably the next target for Tesla. And it looks like we're definitely getting overextended on the short side, so I don't think this will continue much longer. But when you start seeing big red candles, that tells me that the correction is coming to an end. Just like for a blow off top right over here, these are the biggest candles in this uptrend, right? You can see that price started moving an uptrend from here. The biggest green candles are generally right at the top of the move. Same thing in reverse. The biggest red candles are generally right near the end of the correction or the drop. So we're probably coming to a drop very soon, coinciding with the measurement target. I mean, everything is lining up for a bounce very soon. And then if you look at the weekly chart, well, let's go to the weekly chart. So this is the channel currently in play, and you have this trend line right over here. And this is right around the measurement target. So a little bit lower, 180 level is where we can also bounce. See this trend line right here? That's right in the measurement target. So that's where it's going towards. We're playing just a very big channel. And then maybe when we bounce, we will recover and move up higher, something like this. But overall, we are approaching support. I don't expect that much more lower prices for Tesla. It looks like 201 is a good probability, and then probably the 180s. I'm not expecting, sub 180s, anything more than that. It's not a good sign. But overall, this is definitely normal on the technical analysis chart, where you see price at the top side of the channel go towards the opposite side. That's very common, and also coinciding with the measurement target. So everything looks very natural and normal for a typical stock. So I'm not expecting anything much lower than that. Can it get more lower? Yes, but I'm not expecting it to. So right around the 170s, 180s is okay. It's still it's still maintaining the bullish bias up. But let's see what happens at the first measure target around 200, 201, 203, and then we'll go from there. So life for Tesla on the day weekly charts basically is dropping pretty harshly because of the reasons I outlined. Where we were at the top of the channel in the macro scale. We reached the measuring target, and we were selling off towards the upside of the channel. We're approaching the upside of the channel, which is right around the 170, 180 level. And also there's a measuring target very close as well. So there should be a bounce or potential even bottom right around over here. So all that for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.